solving an issue of your NPC or AI not moving when you program it to. This problem occurs when your AI you program has seemingly no errors of moving, but against all odds, they still just don't move. And it's specifically the movement. Every other piece of code in the AI works. Like the ragdoll and the injuries and the health and all that other shit. You think this problem's from storage, but it's actually from the nav mesh. The nav mesh volume is the perimeter your NPCs use to scan where they can and can't move. Press P to see all the green is where they can move. All the not green is where they can't move. The problem is your nav mesh is facing a problem where it stops updating, which means whenever you move something, it just simply makes it so that your character is no longer, or any character is able to move in that perimeter, which makes it so that your character has no idea where the fuck to go. Symptoms of this random problem can occur when NPCs refuse to go in a specific area. Some NPCs can freely move and others just refuse to. I've tried everything, and the one non-migrating problem I've come up with is to just quite literally save everything you have going on here and gather up all your important assets and your content browser and just migrate all of them to a completely new project. That's the best solution I got. The problem is that your nav mesh volume, from what I know, has gotten all buggy and it's not updating regularly, which makes it so that whenever you make any sort of change at all to your map, it just has a big problem with actually changing it correctly. So instead of just changing it the way it should, it just cuts out that chunk of the nav mesh completely.